Buffets, how's everyone? How's everyone? Thank you so much for coming through to my channel. This is not a review of anything that I've watched recently. Ayikho into engifisa ukisho specifically. I just need to tell you about the journey that I've had on YouTube and explain to you ukuthi, how grateful I am for all the subscribers that I have on my channel. When I started out, I didn't think ukuthi I would actually reach even 1,000 subscribers because mosaqala kubanzima, you don't even know ukuthi are you doing the right thing? Even still now, and my subscriber base, or the community at large is like it's expanding and it's growing. And I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for everyone that actually, I don't know, they trust me. They actually log on or sign in on YouTube and babege ama reviews, or what is it that you would like to watch on TV, or is it good enough to watch, what to watch in the later stage, kuthiwani ngayo, and all of that, because that's mostly where my focus is on TV shows and movies, and maybe a bit of entertainment news as well. But I just want to say, Buffett, thank you so much for coming through. Thank you so much for always giving me your trust. And also this card. I recently got monetized on YouTube, so which means ama video army are gonna be having ama ads in between. If I'm making a 6-minute video or whatever, there's gonna be an ad placed either in the beginning or in between or whatever the case might be. And that's gonna bring in a bit of income stream on my side. I understand. So this video is saying to you guys, you guys made all of this possible. It's not me. I did not give myself ama watch hours for one to be monetized. It's all through the viewers, the audience that actually clicks on the thumbnail and they watch the video, whatever how long they watch it, whether they watch it for 30% of it or 50% or even above. That's it. And not just only Abantu by South Africa. I've got Abantu, when I look at my analytics, from across, from Swatini, Lesotho, Botswana. There are people who are actually watching, which means I also need to somehow find a way to create content that's going to be also relatable to that audience, because I can see, because now most of my content is also in Zulu, hence this, like I'm based in Durban here in South Africa, so you will find it's much more convenient and more easier for me to do such content against Zulu. If against Zulu, I think I need to try manage with farmer subtitles so that whoever is not from our own country can actually read my subtitles and see what they have to what am I saying, and all of that. You understand? But I'm still on the learning phases. I'm still on the learning phases, and all of this is possible through support here. And I'm giving a video not because of content. It's just to say thank you for the support here, and growing a channel. It means I do not know what the future holds, but I'm very much positive that's with you guys by my side. I'm gonna continue to grow. Ukula channel, ukula opportunities, right? Because we only start small. This is just only the beginning phases, and I don't know where it's gonna land me. I hope I stay consistent. I stay efficient. I stay relatable. I stay entertaining you guys on anything that I say. And laugh and criticize me. I have people who are critics, constructive criticism, of course, in my comments, of which is very much welcome. You understand? Obviously, when you talk on personal issues, when you touch on personal issues, obviously you are going to be hitting a nerve of some individuals that might not be leaning towards your opinions on certain matters. So I very much welcome any sort of commentary that might come from the comments. So I thank those as well. They've made me much more stronger. They have made me aware that we are not the same. We are all different. They have made me aware that I need to tread carefully on certain matters when I speak about them, when you sit in front of the camera, because this is not easy, right? It's not easy. To sit and look at a lens. I'm still using my phone and I haven't gotten a digital camera as yet. The plan is to get that, make my content much more better quality so that it could also be very entertaining. I'm still on the beginning phases, but all of this is going to happen in due time. You understand? But so manje, what I have achieved is through support here, no? And that is all I'm saying right now. Thank you so much, Bafethu. Please do not forget, Bafethu, you subscribe, you press that like button, you share it. I'm gonna post my link of my other social media platforms like my Instagram and my TikTok. So in terms of short form angiwenzi kakhulu on YouTube. I only use kakhulu short form when I'm on TikTok or possibly nakulento naku Instagram. So if you are a person who tells I'm about 1 minute and 30 seconds, I'm not just because YouTube, I only do my long form, you know, your 8 minutes, 10, 15 minutes videos. Yeah, understand? So, and I mean, any suggestions as well? I cannot be talking about thing Tandayo. I also need to talk about izinto nani enifisa ukungizwa ngikhulume ngazo, you know, trending shows, trending topics, you know, entertainment or otherwise. You understand? We are here to lead, to communicate, to engage in a conversation, all of us all together. Yeah, well, singasabi. Let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Thank you so much for coming through, Bafethu, and please do not forget to subscribe and continue to support my channel as well. The moment I get my first paycheck from YouTube, I think that's gonna be my next video. It's gonna happen quite soon. So next time I do a video, it's gonna be posting with, okay guys, through all your support, this is how much I've earned. It's coming through, but it's coming through very soon. Okay, thank you so much, Bafethu. So Kuluma soon, because I'm still gonna be doing Amayama reviews, shows that are currently playing on TV and entertainment news or otherwise as well. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Peace.